Hi everybody, this is Lynn from Creative Concept Crafts with this week's release, and it's an addition to our beautiful Bookatrix collection that were released last year. I'm adding two collections to it today, the beautiful Heart collection, which I've created this stunning wedding card and its little stand. There's also a box, matching box, and for the first time I've done an overbox. I feel that when you're presenting a card like this, and if it has to go through the post, you can still give a beautiful box with an overlay so that you can write the address. You can throw the address one away and keep the item in its beautiful matching box. So that's a box with an overbox rather than the plain lid. Okay. So that's the Heart collection Bookatrix, and in the video today we're going to be creating the Star collection. So 2 pages, a plain and a pattern for the large Bookatrix, a plain and a pattern for the small Bookatrix. There's 2 box sizes. So you can either use it all in one, a large one with 2 pages, a small one with 2 pages. So there's quite a few options there. I've already cut out the Star collection. This, again, the 4 pages. We have the decorative large page, the plain large page, decorative small page, and the plain small page. So to get the shape into the card, just crease both of the spine pieces and then pulling from the bottom hand, just allow the card to slide over and down from your top hand to your bottom. Okay, so that gives a nice curled page shape. I've done that with all of them. I've done a little bit of glittering on the corners of the stars, and there's also a decorative drawn line all the way around. On the original swirl there was a cut line there, and I've just changed it up this time to do a little draw line. So you can either use a different coloured pen, or you can go on to your glitter pens or your silver gold pens. So this is ready for putting together now. I'm just using some hot glue. You could alternatively use double-sided tape or wet glue for this. It's just I've got this on to add my flowers in a few minutes, so it's as easy to use it to put the book together. You'll find that that plain one, the plain layer, is just the same size as the page underneath without the decor. So like I said, that could stop at that point and decorate the large page. I'm continuing on with all 4 pages here. You can also decorate between the pages if you want to. On the wedding one, on the large plain page, I did 2 little books to have and to hold on one side, and from this day forward on the other one. So that is included with the wedding one. So that's with the heart one. So there's the card completed. With the stand, there's 2 sizes. There's one for the small Bookatrix, one for the large one, 2 pieces of each. Glue both pieces together and let the glue dry, and once it's dry then you can score in the middle, which is what I've done with that one. Don't try and score before you glue because you'll find they won't fit, but glue in together. And then I actually ran down the score line on the scoreboard, and it gives you a nice clean finish. You just have to fold about 90 degrees, and it's quite sturdy. Even though it's lacy, it will still hold that with no problem. Okay, so we're ready to decorate, and to decorate this particular one there's a star that comes with Happy Birthday. It's 2 pieces. And you just draw the happy birthday part, cut out the star, and then one piece has been laid over the other. I'm just going to hot glue that to the top left of the plain page. And to decorate flower wise, I've created some of the flowers from the Starburst collection. I've been out with the glitter pot again, so around the edges of the flowers and the edges of the leaves as well. I just play about with these until I'm happy with roughly where I want to put things, and then I'll start to glue them into place. So I think I'm going to pop one on its own on the far side, but it's just popping these on and then adding the leaves, and then we'll see where we go from there. So starting off with the larger flowers, I've got a couple of them. I used 2 full collections here, more or less. There's a few spare pieces, but it's almost 2 collections of the Starburst. One I've done in black, the other one I've done in yellow. You can see the spare pieces just to the left of the screen at the minute. I think there's 5 plain pieces and 1 of the decorative pieces left. So it's just up to you how you put them together. I think there's 5 layers in each flower. The large flowers have got all the layers. The smaller ones, I think there's maybe 3 in them. So just bringing in 1 or 2 leaves now, and I'll be deciding where I want to put those. I think I like the contrast of the black, although I will add a couple of the yellow ones as well, because I've used, again, the 220-gram cardstock here that I favour. And the flowers have been cut out of exactly the same thing. So I've used black, quite a strong gold colour, and lemon. And I think it's really pretty. You'll have to excuse the resident fly that was bugging me while I was videoing this. You can probably see it land and come flying past the screen at times. Could have seen it far enough. Typical that as soon as you start a video going, in come the fly. These are such quick and easy cards to do. The actual card take minutes. It took me longer to prepare the flowers than it's actually done to put it together. But they are so, so beautiful and can be used for any occasion. Take off the flowers, go for a sport theme for the guys. For an anniversary. In fact, we've got our 40th anniversary coming up soon, so I think I may well go along with one of these, probably the heart one, I think, with a ruby theme for our anniversary in August. It's almost done now. I think just add 1 more leaf to this. It would lend to football, it would lend to golf, to cricket, anything for the guys, really, fishing. It's just a matter of your topper for the side of your card. And how beautiful is that? Quick, simple, matching box, which of course there'll be 2 sizes. This is the large one, there will be a smaller one for the small Bookatrix, with overlays. There's the beautiful Heart Bookatrix collection and its box and the overlay box. Hope you've enjoyed it. Until the next time, bye for now.